This is the utopia every tech nerd wants to live in. AI is a money-minting machine for those who can adapt to this new and trending tech. And in this video, we'll look at the 5 best ways to make money in 2024 using AI. The last one may make you reevaluate your current workflow. Let's get going. Number 1, content creation on steroids. Tools like Jasper and Copy AI are your writing partners. You can generate scripts and even content ideas from Bard and ChatGPT. Voiceover AIs like 11 Labs can even make you voiceovers and boom, content machine activated. You can produce videos in an unprecedented time and finally bring those unique content ideas to life. Number 2, new school AI artist. Instead of the traditional drawing and painting apps, choose a Night Cafe Studio or Dream by Wombo. Make trippy portraits, aesthetic videos, or any weird and wonderful art your brain can dream up. Sell it online, make an art page, and the possibilities are endless. You can even turn them into logos and sell them to businesses, which could earn you hundreds or thousands of dollars per sale. Number 3, build your own app. With AI, you can build apps without any expert knowledge. You can make apps with chatbots that answer your users' questions or algorithms that recommend stuff users will love, or even ask AI to write the code for you. You can even charge for ad space, which can typically range from $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. Platforms like Builder.ai can help you put all the pieces together even if you're not a coding ninja. If you're enjoying this curated content, then subscribe to this channel. If you think some of your buddies will appreciate these tips, then you should share this video. And for now, continue to watch 2 more valuable tips. Number 4, help your business grow. As a business owner, you need an assistant, and your AI assistant can be your ultimate sidekick, automating tasks and handling the nitty-gritty. Platforms like Google Assistant and Alexa are game changers. And guess what? Google's got your back with Grow with Google. It's a free AI assessment that shows you how to make your business shine with a little AI magic. Notion AI also makes your scheduling and planning work easy. Do what you want. More specific AI apps for specific tasks? Drop a comment below and let's help each other. Number 5, level up your freelance game. Add AI to your skill set and supercharge your hustle. Use tools to research faster, automate tasks, and even generate fresh ideas. You can sell logos, scripts, full-on videos, search engine optimization tags and keywords, and almost everything your clients need. Clients will beg for your AI-powered magic touch. It's high time you start making money without doubting AI or yourself. If you learned something in this video, hit that like button and comment your thoughts. For more tips on making money online, click here. See you in the next one.